What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video. Today we got the 335 over here, and it has a common issue with the exhaust. It is rattling a little bit and it's pretty quiet. Kind of want to make it a little bit louder just so you can actually hear the engine. So today I'm going to show you a quick little OEM Plus hack to get your N54 to sound louder. Over here at Natty Auto Parts, we had an E92 335 N55 in for parts. And the muffler exhaust system on the N55, it bolts right up to the N54, but it has an OEM like secondary cat delete. So we're gonna go ahead, swap on that exhaust system onto the N54 and hear how it sounds, while also fixing that little exhaust rattle in the back that commonly happens on the N54 exhaust. So let's go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, so here is the N55 muffler system. It looks almost identical to the N54 exhaust system, except I think it's over here somewhere. It is missing the secondary cats, but this is OEM from factory for the N55. So essentially it's gonna be a secondary cat delete, and it should make it quite a bit louder and sound better, and then there should also be no exhaust rattle. This specific one though, it looks like it's been cut out, so I don't know if they also did like a muffler mod to make it even louder. So we're gonna find out when installing it. But regardless, with just the secondary cat delete, it is going to make it quite a bit louder. Once we get out the N54 exhaust, we'll show you the differences. Since it's OEM down here, they're all 12 mil nuts, so that makes it kind of easy. And you just got to unbolt it from the downpipe, which is right over here. 12 mil bolts right there that you got to undo, and then you can just drop this OEM exhaust. Alrighty guys, so just so you guys can see the difference, this one is the N55 one that we're putting on there. It's pretty bright right here, but it has the secondary cat delete that you see like right around here. I believe it sits right here normally. As you can see right here, here's the N54 one. So side-by-side comparison, you can kind of see it. This one has the secondary cats, this one does not, and it is factory welds. This is from factory for the N55. So that is like one of the biggest differences. Other than that, they're almost identical, just this part is different. So let's go ahead, throw on this N55 exhaust. Alrighty guys, so the exhaust is on now. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. So I fixed the rattle a little bit. Looks like my wastegates are actually going out. But yeah, it took Erlon like literally 30 minutes to knock that out. So, but Erlon's the professional, bro. Look at his shirt. Erlon.
So I don't work here no more.
He doesn't work there anymore, bro. He works at Natty Auto Parts, bro. Alright, rev it. Sounds pretty good.
Enough. It's stock. It's completely
like,
stock.
It's literally completely stock. It's like an OEM Plus mod.
Upgrade it a little bit.
Yeah.
Especially in California where you can't even
touch
breathe modification.
For real, bro. That was sick. Let me rev it from inside real quick. All right, let's see what it sounds like from inside.
Sounds good.
Sounds really good. Now I'm gonna go drive it. Alrighty guys, so this is actually like perfect. Oh, it pops too, that's crazy. It popped a little bit. So the good thing about this exhaust setup is that it's OEM Plus, and it makes your car just ever so slightly louder. You can definitely tell the difference. It's not loud enough to get pulled over by a cop, but it definitely opens it up. You can actually hear your car roar now. Sounds pretty good. But it even burbles, like coming up to a stop, it kind of burbles a little bit. So it's good and bad. It's good if you like stock OEM burbles. It's bad if you want your car to be a little bit quieter. But this is a perfect OEM Plus setup that you don't have to worry about getting pulled over with, because it's literally a stock exhaust. It's just from an N55 335 instead of an N54 335. It pops, low-key. So yeah, guys, just so you guys understand the difference, the N55 is in 335s from 2011 to 2013 for E92 at least, and then the N54 is from 2007 to 2010. So that is going to be like the biggest difference, knowing if it's a different exhaust just from the model year. So 2011 to 2013, E92, E93, 335 will have this exhaust. It's literally plug and play. You can bolt it right up, and as you heard, it makes it sound ever so slightly better, a little bit louder, but not too loud to where you're gonna get pulled over. So that is the great thing about it. Let's go ahead and get some drive-by clips. Cold start. Bro, it sounds so good for just a freaking, literally like, muffler. It's like a stock freaking like M Sport. You could consider it like an M Sport upgrade. Yeah, that's crazy. Bro, it sounds so good from outside too. Like, it was popping. Alrighty guys, there are the sound clips. I hope it kind of shows the difference. It really burbles now in a stock form, whereas before it never really burbled like that, but now you can actually hear the burbles, and sometimes it pops pretty loud too. So that's a nice little thing, nice little upgrade for relatively cheap. You can find people parting out the N55 335s all day, every day. Just look up on Facebook Marketplace and you can kind of find one. They shouldn't be more than 150, 200 bucks tops to do this, and it's relatively easy if you're mechanically inclined. Even if you're not really mechanically inclined, it's not that difficult to do. It's just a few bolts underneath the car with the exhaust. Pretty easy to do. I ended up having Erlon do it because he's really quick with it. It took him like literally 30 minutes max. So I paid him for his time. He did it for me really quick. But realistically, if you have the time to do it, it would take you maybe 2 hours max to do. So it's really not that difficult. Ideally here soon, I'm going to be throwing on an aluminum charge pipe and doing a stage 1 tune on this thing. And this should be the ultimate daily driver. Not too loud, but will sound good enough for my liking. I don't like bringing a lot of attention with cops. I'm sure there's a lot of you guys out there that are just like that. You want your cars to sound good, but not too loud, and this is that perfect in between. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little install, little hack to make your N54 exhaust just a little bit louder without breaking the law. So with all that being said, make sure to subscribe down below. Remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.